a slider, a tender?
I want mac and cheese and chicken sliders.
Perfect. All right, I'll get started for whoever I can before we go.
This is my
Private jet Draco, stop playing the big jet, not the little one. The big jet. Hey, what's up, gang?
Yeah,
What's up, gang? Turn up. I got the whole gang on the private jet, man. Ain't that right, gang?
No.
Brrr. We on the way to Las Vegas. Yeah. On private jet Draco. Boy, rich as hell, boy.
That's all that.
Hey, throw this away.
Do you have a preference of medium or mild?
Mild. I'm finna eat macaroni and cheese on a jet.
Oh,
You know what I'm saying? That's how I'm supposed to be living, man. Playing the soulja game. They laughed at me. I told them I was gonna be the first rapper to come out with his own video game console, and they were like, "Ha, oh, it's bootleg, it's ha ha."
Yeah.
Now I'm on private jet. I'm talking about feet kicked up with the mirrors on. I'm talking about having M's and M's and M's. I'm talking about on the way to Vegas. I'm talking about playing Sonic.
Yeah.
I'm talking about they killed them folks. They came home from jail. Boy, I was in a jail cell, boy. Now I'm on a private jet, boy.
Hard.
Hey, you talking about and it ain't the little one, it's the big one. You ain't never seen no rap niggas on a private jet. It be 3 seats
Okay.
with the propeller.
Okay.
Hey, tripping.
With the propeller.
He said the propeller.
I bring my whole gang. Hey, I bring my whole gang with me.
Oh, God. Don't play.
I bring my whole gang on the jet. Here they talking about. I want. Hey, I'm finna eat. Look, what y'all think I should eat? This the menu. This the menu. Welcome to Soulja Boy Airlines. You know what I'm saying? Today on the menu we got Soulja Boy's hot chicken, Soulja Boy chicken sliders, and that Soulja Boy macaroni and cheese. And we got the Soulja Boy slaw. Oh, oh, we taking off. This when it gets scary. I'm scared. I'm too rich, bro.
Here you go. Some lunch for you.
Ooh,
That shit look good.
that shit look good as hell.
I might not be able to do anyone else since it looks like we're getting released a little bit early, but for sure in flight, I can get to you right away. I just don't want us to delay because of. But that's okay.
Hey, we was in jail, blood. I love you, nigga. Hey, tell them we was locked up together, bro. Tell them. And now what? Now look. And now what we doing?
Driving.
Boy, look at that macaroni and cheese, man.
That's the real one.
That's the real one. That's him. Hey, blood, Paru. We was eating spread, nigga, in a jail cell.
Now I'm eating macaroni.
Now we eat macaroni and cheese on a jet, nigga. That. I'm him, slime. I'm him, slime.
How you go from making spreads to young?
How you go from making spreads in LA County to eat on a private jet?
On a private jet.
Going to Vegas, dead homie. I'm goated. I'm goated.
Like that. Hold up.
Blood, I'm goated, blood.
We about to take off right now. Blood got the first chicken and the mac and cheese.
That shit tastes different on the jet, boy.
You want a hot sauce?
It tastes different on the jet.
I'm good.
But that shit tastes different on the jet. It tastes better on the jet, bro. I swear, man, shit.
That rich nigga macaroni.
That's that rich nigga macaroni, bro. But this shit tastes better on the jet, bro. I gotta put them buzzers on like I'm from Detroit. Hey, catch the picture before we take off.
Well, you gotta ask for safe travel, grace and mercy.
You gotta have me playing the Soulja Boy again. Hey, no, clear that up. Clear that walkway up.
So I just pray. Amen.
Blood, come on, Skinny, let him take the picture, blood, for we nigga. Well, sit down, nigga.
Damn, tell this nigga to move.
You tell him to move, nigga.
Just both sitting here. What are you talking
I
about?
wasn't. I was sitting right here.
Both was just on this
He
chair.
said get comfortable. You see me all comfortable, blood.
I want to be on this too, nigga.
Don't sit on his lap.
Nigga, you sit on my lap, I'm gonna flip you on your head. It's 10 seats up there on Paru.
But that's what I meant. I'm about to move in a minute, right? I do it.
Huh?
Shout out to Gender when they say you
Hey man, we on the way to Agenda, man. I'm launching my new clothing line. Stacks on deck, SODMG clothing. Get ready. Hold on, I'm gonna make y'all go viral. Dead homies. He got up quick. He got up quick, blood. He got up quick. What you doing, blood? What you doing, Skinny? Oh man.
I'm turned up in every club.
Yeah, homie.
What am I doing this one? I might wear a bathing suit. Come on, sit down, no gang. You good? Come on.
Yeah, bro, you good, nigga. This game. You good? Sit down, nigga.
You good? Come on.
That is not SODMG.
You want to sit next to Blood so bad?
It's little mama.
You want to sit next to Blood so bad? That's what happened.
I'm gonna hug him the whole way, so shit. Gang go.
That's gangland, man.
My little hyena.
Mata. Mata.
How's the chicken?
Lovely.
Mac and cheese good?
Amazing.
Good.
I wish I knew.
Blood.
She made that fast. Super chef.
That's that soulja boy macaroni, blood. What wrong with y'all niggas? I didn't even know how to work my seatbelt. That's all I didn't even know. When it be take off, you feel me?
Shit like that. Clip that motherfucker.
They done fucked up. I ain't never ride a tour bus again. Private jet everywhere. Me, please.
Yeah.
Private jet, me, please. Where we going to the A? Let's go.
Yeah. Racks.
I ain't riding tour bus no more. We on the way to Agenda, man. Y'all pull up to y'all pull up to what is it called? My new clothing line booth at Agenda. Agenda gang.
Yeah.
Tyler, talk about it. Beat up, man. Pull up on us, man.
I'm putting my clothes in that motherfucker too.
Them motherfucking movements, huh? Them motherfucking movements, man.
Look at the laptop man over there.
Boy, they're working on that. Yeah, boy, that's what I like to see, yo. I'm finna post my picture. Fuck you talking about? Get me out there.